let's go back in time. Alarmed by military threat in the south, the Emperor Pedro II decided to build a telegraph line from his capital Rio de Janeiro to Rio Grande do Sul. This happened in the year 1867. His partner Siemens Brothers. Together with my colleague Anna from Siemens Brazil, I'm searching for more footsteps of Siemens in the Brazilian history.
Aber Siemens war Pionier in diesem Lande in mehreren Fachbereichen. Zum Beispiel die erste Straßenbahn von Salvador, das Bahia, das etwas nördlich, die wurde von Siemens hergestellt. Die erste Telefonzentrale von Brasilien in Rio de Janeiro, wo es von Siemens kam. Meine Heimatstadt Porto Alegre war die erste automatische Telefonzentrale aufgestellt. Ja. Ich habe immer festgestellt, ja, dass hier in der Siemens-Gesellschaft Brasilien wir im Grunde eine große Familie waren. Das hat mich imponiert, weil ich habe am Anfang gesagt, ich bleibe bei der Firma Siemens, bis ich alles gelernt habe. Nicht? Und das habe ich bis zum letzten Tag gehalten, weil ich habe dann im Laufe der Bahn festgestellt, ich habe noch nicht alles gelernt.
Today, Siemens has 13 regional offices, 13 production facilities, and 7 research centers. Lapa, in the neighborhood of São Paulo, was one of the first locations. And here, on the Rua Werner von Siemens, you can still see the typical architecture of a Siemens facility. But the largest production facility is Jundiaí. 60 kilometers from São Paulo, around 3,500 employees are manufacturing transformers, industrial steam turbines, power transmission and distribution systems, and other products. And today it's one of Siemens' largest production locations in South America.
We do have a very big project called Formare, which has the objective to develop education in the surrounding communities of Siemens here in Jundiaí. This more qualified education that we give to them, it's given by Siemens employees in a partnership between Siemens Foundation Brasil and Siemens Limitada. Oh, the course, it's been taking 9 months, but the previous 6 months is more focused on content-wise, and in the latest 3 months, they are going to learning on the job. So they have the chance to apply what they've learned into Siemens assembling lines with Siemens equipment and with Siemens employees.
We go inland. Here, at the border to Argentina and Paraguay, Siemens was in at the start when Itaipu was built. In those days, the largest hydroelectric power plant in the world. It was a 2-state project involving Brazil and Paraguay. We even supplied the first generator.
The very first unit was installed in 1983. It started generating in 1984. And for us, it's a landmark because it's the very first one. And it's still operating without any problems for nearly 30 years now. From the project, we had 18 turbines in the beginning. Half of the generators were built by Siemens, the other half from other companies. Well, last year we produced 98.4 million megawatts hour in 1 year. So that was our record and also the world record of power generation. That energy supplied around 17% of Brazilian consumption and around 71 or 72% of the Paraguayan consumption.
back to the headquarters in Sao Paulo. On the ecological trail in the close-by rainforest, children and students get informed about the original nature and its importance. Such as all social projects from Siemens Brazil, the ecological trail focuses on education and invests therefore in the future. Siemens has been in Brazil for over 140 years, helps with the country's development, manufactures locally, and sees itself as part of Brazilian society.